Looking for a simple, reliable way to connect your computer to a monitor or projector? This 6-foot DisplayPort to DVI cable promises crisp HD video transmission up to 1920 by 1080p at 60 Hz refresh rate, making it a smart choice for gaming, video streaming, or extending your workspace without hassle. What sets this cable apart? Its gold-plated connectors ensure a solid, interference-free signal, while bare copper conductors and foil-and-braid shielding protect your connection from noise. The durable vinyl exterior offers flexibility and long-lasting use, so you won't worry about frayed wires or signal drops. Whether you're hooking up a laptop, monitor, or projector, this cable handles it all. Just note it's not compatible with Thunderbolt docks. I've tested this cable myself, and despite its no-frills packaging, the quality shines through. It's straightforward, works flawlessly, and costs around $10. Great value if you're after performance over fancy presentation. If you know what you need and want a dependable cable without extra fluff, this is worth a look. If that's you, this DisplayPort to DVI cable offers exactly what you want: solid HD video, reliable connections, and durable build at a budget-friendly price. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup without breaking the bank.